Control number 40264. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Novisa Jaragoso, 40 years old. I'm single mom. I have one son, 14 years old. I have a 3 sister and 3 brother. I'm the third old sister.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm vocational course with IT Bachelor Science in Industrial Technology for 2 years course.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong. I want to help my family and especially to my son.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am. I'm working in the Saudi Arabia for 3 years. And I'm working to Taiwan with 3 years. And I'm working to Jordan to 2 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
I'm taking for them. I'm cooking. And then I give for them the medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for children?
I take care of them with playing, feeding, cooking.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, cleaning, washing, baking, cooking food.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Like chop suey, adobo, vegetables.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm honest, hardworking, and a good job.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
As my family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Sir, ma'am, I'm working. As you choose me, I'm working as a domestic helper. I want to finish my contract at 2 years. And thank you.